Good morning friends, we have reached to the last part of this solving Rubik's cube video. Now in this I will tell you two more algorithm, that is algorithm number 3rd and algorithm number 4th. In this the third algorithm is right anti-clockwise, front clockwise, right anti-clockwise, back 2 times, then right clockwise, front anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, back 2 times, then right 2 times. The fourth algorithm is right 2 times, top clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top clockwise, and then right anti-clockwise. Now I will tell you how and when to use those algorithms. Okay, so let us suppose this is matching. Put it back, and then if it is not matching, don't worry, just do the third algorithm. Now friends, you have reached to this point in which all the corners are of same color, only the center point is changed. If you get total one side complete, then don't worry, it's very good for you. Now if you have got the one side completed, then you should put in the back side, and if it is not, don't worry, just follow the fourth algorithm which I just showed you. Now you have to do it 2 times in any direction, then top clockwise, then right clockwise, then top clockwise, then right anti-clockwise, then top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, right anti-clockwise, then top clockwise, then right anti-clockwise. And by doing this, you will observe that only one side is of same color and the other centerpiece is changed. So now it is a situation which I was talking about. Put it in the back side, and now if you follow the same algorithm, this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. Following the same algorithm, that is the fourth one. Right 2 times, top clockwise, back, then bingo, you have got it. Thanks for watching. If you like and you understood, please like my video and subscribe, and if you have any problem or any suggestion, please comment below. Thank you for watching.